What up, babies? Back again with another lit candle review. Okay, another Bath and Body Works, y'all. Bath and Body Works been coming in strong, stronger than the mug, and I'm really excited for this one. So, before we get into it, come on, y'all already know what to do. Hit that like button and do the rest of that stuff, but only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House gang. Okay? And show IG a little bit of love too. All right, y'all ready? Because I's ready, y'all. So, without further ado, candle of the day, the candle of the hour, the candle of choice is stupid. Is coffee and whiskey. What? Coffee and peanut butter whiskey would it stop it? Y'all know that's good. You ever had peanut butter whiskey? Oh, wait, look. Okay, we got a matte chocolate package. What? Okay, it smells good, but I don't smell too much coffee. I really don't smell too much coffee. But it's a little perfumey too. Wait, the notes say bold Irish whiskey, splash of vanilla, hint of coffee. Yeah, they needed to put some peanut butter up in here. Okay, so we got creamy colored wax with dirty chicken legs. The chicken was walking around in mud. Ooh, they dirty. Yeah, stupid. Y'all, hold on, I want to show y'all something. I had to get it from out of the freezer. Okay, peanut butter whiskey. Now, if they would have used this note, but the coffee needs to be a little. They need to increase the coffee. That's what I'm saying on cold. I don't know how it's going to be on heat, but if I do remember correctly, a couple people said they didn't really smell the coffee too tough. And even I think Bane got Luana got this as well, and she said she didn't smell too much coffee in it. So we shall see. All right, y'all, look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trim, I'm gonna get the puppy started. I'll be back. I need you babies to what? Come on, y'all already know what to do. Y'all, it done got cold. Look, I was supposed to close this candle out eons ago, but Mama's got caught up in life. Look, this candle's throwing a 7.5. It is. It's decent. Why you gotta get ugly? Shut up. Y'all, it's decent, but ooh, goodness, cold. Performance-wise, no issues. Pulls expeditiously. Nice even pull. Still in this thing. It's behaving like a Bath and Body Works candle was meant to behave. It's okay, right? I even like the way it looks burning. I do. Now the aroma. Yo, I'm disappointed. I'm gonna come out correct. What? You trying to be cool? Shut up. My kids be like, Mom, please. Anyway. I don't know. It got a lot of non-coffee note. And it's not too much of a whiskey either. Or I wouldn't really be... Would you be complaining? I don't know. Y'all, it's just okay. There, I said it. What y'all gonna do? Yeah, it's just... Okay, now, one day when I was burning it, I smelled a coffee note, but then I looked down and my coffee thing was right here. So I was like, is that why? Because that smelled good together. Like right now, I don't smell a hint of coffee. I really, truly don't. Yo, man, I'm disappointed. I wanted this one to be the banger. I really did. I wanted this to be a banger, y'all. But it is not for me. Yeah, I don't really like it. There you go. I don't. So, let's depict her. Wow. See, it says your favorite creamy brew made the Irish way. No, I know what Irish cream. And then every time I go on holiday, the bartender gotta make me a Irish cream with coffee. It's a thing. It's what I do. No, it don't smell. It don't smell like that. It don't. Bold Irish whiskey. Maybe, okay. Now it smells a little perfumey. Is it me? Please put it down below, Joe. Am I bugging? Y'all can tell mamas. Splash of vanilla and a hint of coffee. It's a little perfumey for me. And that's probably my issue. So I'm going to say no, not spot on. Huh? Because do you got any Irish with Jameson? Okay. Tell a story music. I used to work with this young man that used to crack up because I would be like, oh, I'm going to have this tonight as a cocktail. So we had this thing. He would be like, what are you going to drink tonight, Shay? And, I would say, he said, what you should try, because he knew I liked pickles. He worked right across from me. So what you should try, it's Jameson Irish whiskey. And then chase it with pickle juice. Now, what I did by mistake, because sometimes I just don't be paying attention. I hear something, I go, oh, that sounds good. I mixed it. So I went to him, I was like, this is horrible. Why would you tell me to buy this expensive whiskey? And he was like, huh? He's like, no, you. And I told him, I said, it tastes horrible. So then he discovered that I mixed it. He was like, no, you chase it. I was like, oh, and it's so good, y'all. Take a shot of Jameson Irish whiskey and then chase it with pickle juice. Y'all can thank me later, all right? Anyway, so I know what Irish whiskey smell like, and it don't smell like this. This smell like perfume. Okay, so look, this is an absolute back and bowl because it is not gut-wrenching horrid, but I wasn't expecting this. So, yeah, but of course I'm not going to go nowhere and take nothing back. I don't know. It's probably going to be in my stash for years, and then maybe they'll do something different. I don't know. But as of now, no. Anyway, that's it. And that's all. And having said all that, I will see you babies later. I love your guts, and y'all be good. Be good now.